Hi guys. So today this is where I put both worlds of the art on paper and the computer. This I first did on paper, and then I did some extra touches on the computer to make it like give both like sides of visually and like digitally on the computer. So two kind of styles put into one. Let me give you a nice, beautiful example. Okay, this is the first drawing I have. I did on the paper, right? And then on the computer, I give it extra touches. So now we're mixing both worlds together. So we're doing it on paper, we're doing it on paper visually, and then we're gonna do it digitally on the computer. I might do a little adjustments after or something like that. But I'm gonna show you how I did that. So this is the face. I just changed the skin tone, so I'm hiding it to show you. I just did that on like opacity 10, so it's like faded with the black brush tool. We're gonna work with the hair first, so that's kind of the cool part. So like even this one I like too, I'm gonna do it with this one. The hair, so first thing is I call this black layer. I only target the darkest spots on these things. Oh yes, what helps too? Oh yeah. You're gonna put your brightness and contrast up on the actual photo itself. Oh wait, I don't wanna do it again. I put this high and I put this like, no, I put this high and I kept this decent. But I already did it before, I'm pretty sure. Especially just like, this is kind of like the outline, darkest spots of the hair that I'm doing. Okay, see the hair? I'm trying to get it to stand out more. So next thing I do is like go black, faded. For now. I'm going to put the opacity to like 20. So it's not faded. Okay, this is still the color black. See how this is faded slightly dark and it gets slowly brighter here? I'm going to color the whole thing. The gap again, but this time to the lightest spot, I don't color it. And then again. And I bring it closer to the darker spot and I just like go there and then there and there. And see how it kind of fades? It's like a gradient. So and what's even cool too, it gives like extra pencil effects. I'm not even using the tool, it's because I drew it in real life. Here's his eyebrows. Don't forget to save your stuff, by the way. I could have lost it if my computer crashed on me and hated me. Let's go work on body details. So I'm gonna go here and just do body detail and bam. And let's go, we'll do the neck. Okay, this one I'm gonna put the opacity to 10 again, put the brush high, work on his neck. Enough. Okay, that was decent. I already did a good fade on that. Some things don't need to get incredibly touched, but I like to make it look better. We color it in. So this is a gradient, we just color it in easy. Now I'm gonna color it in again, but don't touch the edge, like to where I last stopped. And then move closer to the edge of the shoulder, and then closer, and closer, and closer, and bam. That's a little cool. Here, same thing. This is not too crazy though. And then we're gonna kind of make his eyes look more wider than they should. Oh yeah, this is the layer. I'm gonna erase this and do it again. Let's go down all the way up, free and down. Here we go. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go up to here. And then again, don't hit the, again, but don't hit the bottom. And then again. That's cool, in my opinion. Something like that. Oh, you're back.
Oh, this penguin though?
Yeah, it fell. There. See, I'm cooking, guys. So this is basically me tracing my visual drawing that I did on the computer. Okay, that's a little bit I would show. I'll post it after, like maybe the photos if I care. Guys, bye bye.